Welcome to Mindful Monday. Today, we celebrate the ever-changing beauty of the seasons and weather. Each season brings its own gifts, enhancing our lives and providing a fresh perspective on the world around us. Find a comfortable spot where you can sit quietly. Close your eyes and take deep, relaxing breaths. Imagine the current season in your location. Visualize its distinctive characteristics, whether it's the blooming flowers of spring, the warm sun of summer, the colorful leaves of autumn, or the crisp air of winter. Think about how this season affects your senses, the sounds, the scents, and the sights. With each breath in, draw in the essence of this season. With each breath out, express gratitude for nature's bounty and its impact on your life. Reflect on the changes that each season brings and how these transitions mirror changes in your own life. As you go through daily life, try to notice small details of the natural world around you. Whether it's a sudden rain shower or a particularly vibrant sunset, take a moment to appreciate these elements and their contribution to your well-being. Thank you for joining today's session on the gratitude for seasons and weather. As you continue through the year, remember to find joy and lessons in each seasonal change. Let these natural cycles remind you of the beauty of transformation and renewal.